Hi everybody, Kevin Barnett here for Carbide 3D and welcome to our YouTube channel. Whether you're brand new to CNC, even just thinking about buying a machine, or you've owned one for some time, we have a variety of content here for you. We have inspiration, we have motivation, we have education all here. We also have a vibrant community of people that enjoy our machines, that are willing to help you out. We profile many of them here. We have so much to offer on this channel. Go ahead and punch that subscribe button and join the community at Carbide 3D. I'll be here, Winston Moy will be here with a whole bunch of content from our Carbide 3D HQ in California, and we appreciate your presence. Welcome to the Carbide 3D family.